Please subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative and click on the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Absolutely Creative. I'm Swati. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for the 10,000 subscriber mark or milestone that the Absolutely Creative has achieved. So thank you everyone for all the love and support that you have been showing, and I hope you will continue to show. So to make this occasion more special, I made a post on my social media handles, that is my Facebook page and Instagram page, about my 10,000 subscriber special Q&A. And I've got many questions. Thank you all for your response to this post. So in this video today, I'm going to answer some of your most frequently asked questions which I found relevant and felt the need to be answered. Also, I can guess most of your questions will be about my hair, so I'm going to attend them all together in the end of the video. It's obviously going to be a long video, so stay tuned and watch the entire video. I have my phone here in front of me from where I'm going to read your questions and answer you. So now let's begin. So the first question now I'm going to take is, what's your native place? It's asked by Aarti Jaypal and Gaddam Soumya. So to answer that question, my native place is Hyderabad, Telangana. I was born and brought up in Hyderabad. So coming to the next question, can you speak Telugu? It's asked by Jessie C. Yes, I can speak Telugu. Nen Telugu ammayine Telugulo maatladtanu. Next question is, please talk in Telugu so that we'll be more connected. It's asked by Sushmita MD. I understand you, Sushmita, but I see many of my subscribers speaking different languages from all over India and from all over the world. And I get many comments to make videos in Tamil, Kannada, even Hindi and so many languages. But I cannot, simply because I don't know those languages, and in order to overcome these language barriers and to connect maximum of you people, I chose to make videos in English for a simple reason that most of you can understand English. The next question is, please share us your qualifications and which company do you work in? It's asked by Venkata Subaya Battala, sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, and Vivek B and Gaddam Soumya. So to answer this question, I am an MBA graduate and I'm currently a homemaker. I'm not yet working in any company. So the next question is, what's your husband's job? It's asked by Nandita Haridas, Vivek B and Gaddam Soumya. My husband is an IT professional. The next question is, what is your all-time favorite food? It's asked by Vivek B and Sukruta PR. What I can think of currently is I like fried rice and of course biryani. I'm from Hyderabad, so obviously. Next question is, what is your favorite tourist destinations in India and abroad? It's again asked by Vivek B and Sukruta PR. In India, I've been to Ooty. It's a wonderful place. I love it. And in USA, I like New York City and Niagara Falls. It was heavenly awesome. So coming to the next question, where have you studied and lived? Do you have any siblings? It's asked by Varalakshmi and Vivek B. As I said earlier, I was born and lived in Hyderabad forever. My studies were done entirely in Hyderabad. I have post-graduated from Osmania University. And about siblings, yes, I have a younger brother. The next question is, how many children do you have? And congrats for 10,000 subscribers. It's asked by Sweta Ram. I have a 14-month-old son whom you have been seeing on my channel pretty much lately. His name is Virat. You can see many of his videos on my channel. Now going to the next question. What is your daily routine and how are you managing your long hair, kit, household works and videos? And congrats to you on 10,000 subscribers. It's asked by Easy Way. This actually is a very good question and I wish I really could answer this question today. But I'm currently still struggling to find an ideal and productive daily routine that works for me to manage everything well. As you all know, every day is not just the same when you have a baby who needs my constant attention. Also, there is no extra help from others or family members as we are just 3 of us living here alone in USA. And that is me, my husband and our baby Virat. So we have to manage everything by ourselves. That's also a reason for my not so frequent video uploads, as I have a very little time in a day to work on YouTube besides taking care of my home and baby. So I'm currently trying different ways to see what works and what doesn't to manage my time in a more productive way. And I am hopeful I can share my daily routine in future sometime when I successfully get a hang of it. And the next one is Edge KD from Instagram wishes me congratulations on 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. And the next question is, can you tell me how happy you are now that you are over 10k? I pray for more subscribers. It's asked by Vivek B. First of all, thank you so much Vivek, and I'm truly very happy on reaching 10,000 subscribers. I also feel a little nervous at the same time that so many of you are watching me now than before, but I thank and welcome each and every one of you on my channel. And the next question is, Nim house yearly their own house? It's asked by Ammu Ammu. I guess she's asking in Kannada that do I own the house that I live in? I just Google translated it. And to answer that, no, I live in a rented apartment. Now let's move on to the hair related Q&A segment that you all are waiting for. The first hair related question is, 2 years ago you posted a haircut video, waiting for another haircut video. When are you going to post? How much length will you cut? Are you going to donate again? It's asked by Jessie C and LH Rose. Yes, I posted a haircut video 2 years ago. It's the first time ever I had a haircut and donated it to a charity. And I'm not a person who constantly gets a haircut every now and then like many others do, as I always maintained a very long hair length since ages, and I very rarely experiment with my hair, so I don't think you can see my haircut videos as often like others. Also, currently when I now have a baby and my hands are always full, the only way now I can think of styling my hair is to roll my hair into a bun or updo so that my baby won't pull it. And also because of the situation outside is not at all good with COVID-19, it's not at all safe to go to hair salons. And I'm not at all worried of getting a haircut or donating my hair for at least couple of years. Even my 14-month-old son's hair has overgrown and needs a haircut badly. But as a concerned mother, I can't take the risk of taking him to a salon for a haircut. But we will have to plan to cut his hair by ourselves at home someday. But we are so nervous to do that with such a tiny little soul. And the next question is, measure your current hair length in inches and tell us. It's asked by Jessie C. My current hair length is 32 inches, which is equal to my original hair length even before a haircut in 2018. And the next question is, when is your next long hair video? It's asked by Arjun Maverick on Instagram. I don't know, but maybe if and when I make any easy at-home hairstyle videos on my channel in future. I don't know when, but soon. As your hair-related videos on your channel are very popular, do a lot of home hairstyle or haircut videos. Try to do a self-haircut. Please say the name of the haircut in the previous video. It's asked by Shweta Ram. I can try doing more hairstyle videos on my channel, but I'm not so good at doing self hairstyles, as it's so tiring for me to handle and reach my head while trying new hairstyles. Also about self haircut, I don't want to take the risk of ending up with a bad haircut, so I don't dare to do it. And the haircut that I had previously in my 2018 haircut video was called Long Layers. And coming to the next question, hi, loved your video and waiting for more videos. Please share your hair care routine. I want to know what are you doing for your long hair. I also want to grow hair like you. It's asked by Tabassum Zareen, Gautami Shekhar and Kushbu Rasalia. Thank you so much for loving my videos. Share my hair care routine. That's the most frequently asked question that I have been kind of ignoring since 2 years, because I don't do that much that I can share with you all as a routine to maintain my hair in real. And regarding what do I do for my long hair length, I don't do anything. I got the length of my long hair growth on Hereditary. Everybody in my family has a good quality thick and long hair since ages, and that's how I got it and maintain it. But now I think it's high time to make a separate video on my hair care routine for you all, as the number of people asking me this question has increased tremendously over the years, and I want to answer them all in one single video. And the next question is, will you ever shoulder length shorten your hair? We would like to see a video for this. We want to see your short haircut. It's asked by Vivek B. I think many of you here on my channel and my family might get extremely disappointed if I suddenly cut my hair so short like shoulder length. You can see a picture of mine here. I even once tried creating this shoulder length look by rolling and hiding the extra hair at back of my neck, and many people were totally shocked. And maybe even one day I might miss my hair badly, so I don't want to do it all of a sudden, maybe gradually. And the final question in today's video, I want to see your long hair in the Q&A video. Please do that at the end of the video. Don't forget this. It's asked by Shweta Sharma. I'll try to attach a picture or a video of my current hair. So that's about it guys for today's 10,000 special Q&A video. Thank you so much for all your responses and questions. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, comment down below and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative.